Everyone, so there's the LST today out in the mud. Y'all can comment on how stupid I am. As of course, you know the drill. I forgot to charge the batteries, and you know, there it goes. I just started it up, so it's counting down. And yeah, we're pretty much running low on battery. I had some terrible throttle response near the end, so I was just gonna, call it, because I don't want this thing running into a machine or something and splitting in half. But yeah, guys, unfortunately that'll be the end of the video. I did put a new lug nut on, as you can see. As the last video, that lug nut is still here somewhere in the mud. Well, I got the truck tuned up to the warmer weather. It's pretty mild today. It's actually nice and comfortable. I don't have to wear gloves. And yeah, as you can see, the truck's filthy as I ran through that giant mud puddle. Yeah, but yeah, inside, it's not looking too good. Definitely gotta wash all that off. Hopefully I don't need all new bearings. Still seems to roll pretty smooth, so seems all right. But yeah, guys, that'll pretty much be it for the video. Yeah, I should have charged those dang batteries. Pretty much ruined the whole day for us. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Possibly tomorrow. Unless I edit this out because we don't do it tomorrow. But yeah, cool.